Start है.
Hello everyone, this is Shubham Kumar Pandey. Today we have presented our problem statement. So we are going to discuss here right now. We have a group that we have created a solution for a given problem statement that belongs to a problem statement 48. The first one we have created a STEAM gamified platform. For this we are focusing on what? The primary schooling children. They are studying from class 8 to class 6 to class 8. The first one we have to understand that in class 6, 7, 8 we have very foundation concepts such as we are focusing on math or even science, that the primary concepts are actually helpful, but it is not inculcated in the student as because they are not even have tendency to practice the question. Even sometimes teachers are become reluctant to give the students questions. That's why we have created a platform or a website. We are using the precise term so that a student can able to access our website so that he will able to solve a lot more questions where he can learn new concepts and new ideas. And the most important thing, the new concepts are always there to learn from us. But a teacher will able to connect to the student. How it is possible? The first one is teacher will create his test. His test will help to modify the student their concepts. Like such as I am a teacher, I want to give children's homework, but in class I am not able to give a lot more questions, and those kind of questions which will help to a student to build the reasoning ability which help in the application of concepts. That's why while I am reaching home, I will become feel relaxed. Then after I will create a set of questions which will not help to only develop understanding of the concepts, but also will help student to connect with me what I have taught in the earlier classes. That is very important for me as a teacher. While doing homework is just a very rough method for me, what I am doing right now, it's not a good method. But the homework should be in a concise and in a constructive manner so that it will help to develop and build concepts. That's why I think this app is very unique. But a question arises, why this app is so unique that rather than other apps or websites present in market? The first one is the set of questions here are very unique. That we will think that these questions are very unique. That's why it will help to understand new concepts. And the second one, the intercept relation that enables to develop from one student to a teacher, that helps the student. Let's suppose I am a student. I have done a class and then after teacher gave us homework. That I have reached home and started my website and solving questions. I have feel that I am not able to solve 5 questions. This shows me that there are something here that I am not able to understand in my class. When teachers will able to see what kind of question I am not able to solve, teacher will actually identify my weak point and weak area, and teacher will suggest to me that how should I learn, and he will also again teach me the same concept on which I feel weak. That's why I believe that it will also help to personalize teaching. The personalized teaching is today is very I think not possible. As because in a class of 60 students, a teacher will not be able to understand each and every concept, each and every one. That's why this is a unique method and this is a unique model as well to develop concept to a student through the relation of teacher and student. Right now we are living in the media of social media distraction. This is also a way to overcome a distraction in today's era, because most of the potential in our younger generation are directed towards the social media distraction. That's why it is also our initiative to focus on younger potential and younger students that are doing better in life through the help of our modelation that is created here. We are focusing on students not to just create themselves, but to create a focused mindset to achieve success in their life. This is also a way to make our younger generation more strong and more important for all of us. Thank you. This is from my side.